Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm Ku Chun Kiong from 21A Group 9, which group member Siti Nurul Syafiqah binti Haji Awang and Nur Sajwani binti Majlan. Today, I would like to present about our company that we choose is Jim Martino HQ. First and foremost, Jim Martino is a renowned Malaysian modest wear fashion brand known for high qualities, affordable apparel with simplicity, elegance and inclusivity. The headquarters in Perak oversees overall management, product design, supply chain logistics, marketing and customer relationships. The report focuses on enhancing operational efficiency at Jim Martino HQ through business analytics. Key variables for analysis include employee performance, customer satisfaction and marketing. And one statistical method will be used to analyze operational data. The goal is to provide actionable recommendations to keep Jim Martino competitive through data-driven strategies. Variables that we choose is seating capacity, industry type, and social trends. And first, seating capacity, the numbers of seats available in a store or event venue. It's important for promotional events and customer comfort. A good seating area makes customers stay longer and possibly shop more. Second, industry type. Jim Martino operates in the retail and fashion industry, specializing in modest wear. This industry is trend-driven and competitive. Jim Martino stands out by offering affordable, high-quality products that cater to a wide range of customers. And third variables, social trends. These are the changing preference and lifestyle for consumers. For Jim Martino, it means keeping up with trends like modern fashion, sustainability, and inclusivity. This could involve adding new product lines or using eco-friendly materials to stay relevant. 5.0 Analysis Results. For the first one, 5.1 Standard Deviation, Minimum and Maximum Values. This table represents data from a survey about Jim Martino headquarters, its product and its positioning in the fashion industry. It contains 61 participants who had answered a set of questions. The statistical measures include mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum for each question. Most of the responses reflect moderate agreement, which means around 2 or a Likert scale, presumably ranging from 1 to 4 or 1 to 5. The table above suggests that facilities in terms of seating, comfort and sufficiency at headquarters need to improve as the mean score have turned out lower, ranging between 1.92 and 2.00. Furthermore, Jim Martino is found to be one of the impressive companies which is potential in traditional wear, with less dispersion that range from a low 0.75 to a high of 0.93. The data suggests alignment with market trends and adaptability in product offerings, but it also highlights areas to enhance its competitive edge and meet evolving consumer demands.
Let's start slide 4 with the normality test. This test helps us determine if our data follow a normal distribution with a cursor for many statistical analysis. We utilize the Shapiro-Wilk test to assess normality. A p-value greater than 0.05 indicate that our data is normally distributed. Understanding whether our data is normally distribution allow us to choose appropriate statistical method for future analysis. Next, we perform a Poisson correlation analysis. This analysis measures the strength and direction of the relationship between two variables. For instance, if we find a correlation coefficient of 0.8 between customer satisfaction and sales performance, it suggests a strong positive relationship. This insight can help us understand how change in one variable may affect another's. Finally, we calculate Cronbach alpha to assess the reliability of our survey item. Cronbach alpha range from 0 to 1, a value above 0.7 indicate acceptable reliability among the item. This means our survey question consistent in measure the same underlying concept, ensuring that our findings are trustworthy.
Next is regression coefficient and R-square, but B is seating capacity. The above data give the result of regression analysis from the model summary. The excess R-square is 0.669, meaning that about 67% of the variance in the independent variable. The seating facility provide help improve employee productivity by the predictor variable. The ANOVA table also confirmed that the regression model is significant with F equal to 129.883, small 0.001. The coefficient table showed that the predictor variable IV1 was significantly and positively related to the dependent variable, with A of 0.829 and a p-value of less than 0.001. This means that as predictor variable increase, so too does the perception of how much seating facility have improved employee productivity. Part C is type of industry. Martino business strategy in association with the evolving fashion industry has a strong and significant correlation as indicated by R equal to 835 and R square equal to 698. The F value of 136.326 and P value of less than 0.001 ensure that the overall statistical significance of the model exists among the predictor variable. There is only one IV2 which has significant positive effect on the outcome, B equal to 1.001 and P less 0.001. Moreover, the residuals of the regression are normally distributed, which is consistent with the model assumption. That means the change in the fashion industry is strongly related to Martino business strategy and it has strong statistical support. Part D is social trend. The data analysis represents the regression analysis of how global fashion trend IV3 influence the design of Martino products. The model is highly significant with an R2 value of 0.739, indicating that 73.9% of the variance in product design is explained by global trends. The overall ANOVA result was significant, F equal to 167.097, P less 0.001. For IV3, the coefficient was equal to 0.860, less 0.001. Hence, there was a strong and significant positive impact of global fashion trend on product design. In the histogram, residual show a normal pattern, hence model reliability was support. Lastly, part multicollinearity. Part B. HO. There is no significant multicollinearity among the independent variable in the predicting the dependent variable. H1. There is significant multicollinearity among the independent variable in the predicting the dependent variable. The tolerance for all independent variable is greater than 0.8 351 more 0. VIF of independent variable are 1.175, 1.303 and 1.295. Hence, all values are above 1 but less than 5. This result reflects that in the prediction of multicollinearity among independent variables, the overall degree of multicollinearity for this analysis thought containing some moderate correlation between independent and dependent variable is not a concern in this analysis. Part C is type of industry. HO, there is no significant multicollinearity among the independent variable in predicting the dependent variable. H1, there is significant multicollinearity among the independent variable predicting the dependent variable. The tolerance value for IV1, IV2 and IV3 are 0.297, 0.084 and 0.099. Respectively, all less than 0.1, the null hypothesis is rejected. There is significant multicollinearity among the independent variable in the predicting the business strategy, aligning with changes in the fashion industry. The V1F for IV2, IV3 and IV1 are 3.370, 11.959 and 10.134 respectively. All these are greater than 1, which indicates high multicollinearity. And lastly, part D is social trend. HO, there is no significant multicollinearity among the independent variable in the predicting the dependent variable. H1, there is significant multicollinearity among the independent variable in predicting the dependent variable. The statistic show tolerance value of 0.297, 0.084 and 0.099 which are less than the thresholds of 0.1, while the V1F values read 3.370, 11.959 and 10.134 greater than the acceptable limit of 5. Thus, the null hypothesis is rejected. There is significant multicollinearity among independent variables to predict the dependent variable. Thank you. That is all from us. Thank you. Don't forget to like our video.